Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning, successful, motivated, and courageous women. It is a beautiful day to be on top of the earth. I got the thinking that October is a great month for us as women to get together and to empower one another. Gosh, 2020 has been an unpredictable year. A year that's been filled with so much chaos and crises and traumatic experiences, right? Maybe you've gone through a situation where you've had some losses. Maybe you've lost your job. Maybe you've lost a loved one. Maybe you've lost some finances. Maybe you've gone through some experiences where it just almost, you crash and felt like you were going to literally burn. It has been an unprecedented year, just filled with so many dark days. And I've heard from so many women, especially those who are having to work from home, and you are now the homeschool teacher, and you are also the counselor and the cook. Oh my God, there's so much that's been placed upon us as women these days. And on top of that, we are smart, successful, savvy, powerful, and committed business leaders. So much. And I also thought about how we've grown through this process and we've learned so much about ourselves, our makeup, the skill sets that we possess. We've learned so much in 2020. And I want to empower you to take everything that you've learned, all that you've been through in 2020, and I want to teach you with my 6-step thread system how to use that data to achieve intentional transformation. Yes, we're going to use everything that we've learned in 2020 to help us to make 2021 a much better year. So join me on October 18th at 5 o'clock. I'll be speaking at the Best You Expo in Dallas. It's a virtual session that I've entitled Rise Above Trauma and Crises and Reclaim Your Life. I'm all about empowering women. It's part of my mission. Courage is part of my value system. And it is my vision to help women to transform themselves so they can transform and impact the world. So go ahead. There's a link in this post. Register to join me during this free virtual session on October 18th at 5 o'clock, where I will engage you in an intentional conversation about how we can achieve intentional transformation in 2020 and beyond. So register today. Here's my final thought to you. I want you to consider this as you go through your week. The best in you wants the best for you so you can be the best to others. My mission is your transformation. So register today to join me on October 18th at 5 o'clock for an intentional conversation. And I guarantee you, we will learn from one another how we can use everything that we've been through in 2020 to achieve intentional transformation. I look forward to seeing you soon. Take care now.